Welcome to the another video of AWS. Today in this video we'll see how to create user and the group. So I'm in the AWS console right now. So first you have to look for the IAM. Then here go on the user. I have already one user, so we'll create new user with the name Sabin1. So we'll give him a AWS management console IAM user. So I'll put a custom password this time. Tell AWS not to create a new password when sign in. Next, then here you can choose one of them. So this time I will put add user to the group. So here I have already one group. We'll also see how to create another group. So we'll give him administrator access, which is full permission for the whole AWS console. So this is my new group, admin1. So add user on the group. Click on next, then click on create user. So here you got a link for opening the account for the console account and with the username and a password. So what you have to do is just go to the private window and copy this link. Then it will take you to the AWS console. And then put the username and a password, the one we saw before, and then you will be signed in. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe the channel for more educational content. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.